What do you think? Is it okay?
Hi, and
Yeah?
welcome to Eli Eden Creative. This is
Yeah?
Pamela, and this is the story of me carving this stamp. How could a woman who's never really been a cat person be carving herself a cat stamp? Well, I'm one of those people who kind of has pets come into their lives sort of by chance, and so far, every single one of my pals has been perfect for each season of my life. And so far, all of my pals have been dogs. It's what I grew up with, it's what I understood, and I never really thought that I would have a cat. I was a little bit allergic, and I just didn't really understand them mostly. So, funny thing happened on the way to getting a cat. I had a dream that was really, really ultra vivid. And it was me walking into the pet store, and there's a black cat with green eyes sitting in a bird cage, staring at me, kind of saying, "Oh, finally, you made it." Mm, sorry about that. I didn't know I was needed. So I woke up and it was ultra vivid, like it had already happened. And I turned to my partner and I said, "I think we might be getting a cat." And he said, "Today?" And I said, "No, I don't think today, but I think soon we'll be getting a cat." And he was cool with it. He grew up with cats and he really enjoyed cats. And so he was sort of my tutor on how to be a cat person. So, never thought I would be carving a stamp of a cat face. That was just never really my thing. I have stamps of my previous dog, um, and that made a lot of sense, but here we are, and I'm carving a cat face. So, about 2 months later, I remember that dream, and I keep seeing pictures of black cats with green eyes around me. And I say to my darling, "I think today might be the day we need to take our dog Winter with us, because if they don't get along, it's not happening." Because we had already had this a magical, amazing dog come into our life named Winter. So Winter was very much a priority for me. And so we drove off together to the pet store. And I just decided I would go in first and just see if I was, if it was worth it. And I opened up the door and boom, there she was. And we brought the dog in to see, and they had an amazing meet cute. There was no sound at all. The lady who worked at the store said, "Well, that was one of the best one of those I've ever seen." I was like, "Well, I guess this is supposed to be our cat." And so we decided to adopt this cat whose previous owner had passed away. So it's been a real journey. We've had her for about 4 years now, and getting her used to this home and our dog, and our dog getting used to her was a whole endeavor. A lot of pheromones were involved, and um, lots and lots of spaces for the cat to escape to. And now they play hide and seek together. They keep each other company. They eat together. They play together. All of those things. And having the cat has actually provided me more time to be able to do things like carve cat stamps and make craft kits, because she keeps my border collie blue heeler very entertained, I'll tell you. And so our house sort of has a schedule specifically for the pals, because it's important for me to keep on a good schedule for them. And they learn that schedule very well. And it's very much close to that time for these guys. And they keep me in the moment and remembering what's important in life, and that's taking care of yourself and your pals. If you're interested in learning more about one of these kits, you can find out more information in the comment section below. I am daydreaming about what we're doing, but this is a process. I was thinking about, I already made one and I gave it away because that's what I do. I do have photos of it. But I was thinking about making a little kit that you could make into a little purse. Or it could be a coaster, or just maybe a patch. I don't know. But I'm going to take you along on this little journey and show you what I did. And I will let you know. You can look in the description below for a link to the kit, specifically for Canadian shoppers in Canada, where I can send to you one of these kits. And for everybody else, you can order probably the how-to video, so you can get one of these for yourself and create something fun for yourself if you're a cat person. I find it very meditative. I know it's sped up for time, but honestly, I took so much time to get this done. You have to be very careful with the lines. I did not apply enough ink. All right. Thank you for joining me today with this quick little craft. I hope you feel inspired. Tell me about your magic cats and how they came into your life. This is me just cleaning things up. Thank you for joining me today. Come back again. Subscribe, like, share. All of those things are helpful to independent artists like me. Ta-ra! Hi. How are you? Okay. Well, I'm just doing a little bit of work. Yeah. Yeah. How are you today? Are you feeling a little bit hungry, maybe? Yeah? Okay. Oh, excuse me, that was a very important cut right there. You totally blocked my view. I know. How are you? Mm. Hello? Hello? Hi. I can't. Did I get it all? According to you, yes. Yeah. I just want to make sure. I want to make sure it's perfect. What do you think? Is it okay? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Mm. Come here, you. How are you today? Happy to see you. How are you, love? Hmm? Are you hungry, girl? It's snowing today. Are you ready to have breakfast too? Yeah? How about you? Winnie, are you hungry?